Alright, welcome back to the channel, viewers. See, I got another flatbed truck sitting here in place of the Dodge from the last video. Same guy owns a Dodge, owns this Ford. Brought it to me, do a tune-up on it, and fix an exhaust leak. And what did I find? Got the 5.8 liter 351 Windsor, broken EGR tube, cracked exhaust manifold. Oh boy, look at those bolts. Ugh. That ain't gonna be fun. Ugh. Wonder how many of them are gonna break. And it had a misfire, but I fixed that already because it had a number 3 spark plug wire was laying pinched down in here, burning too. You can see where it's been arcing on the manifold. Anyway, yep. So there'll be more updates on the Dodge truck here for long. We decided to go a different route with that truck. He's gonna fix it, but anyway, I'll do that in another later video. All right, well, there's the 360 out of the Dodge. Told you in the last video it had a knocking noise in it, so gonna be working on that here soon. All right, guys, stay tuned, and if you want to watch the content on the Ford, subscribe to the channel, and I'll decide whether or not I'm going to do another video based on the amount of views I get. All right, guys, thanks for watching.